Movie theater vocabulary in English. Here's a list of common items and things you'll find at a movie theater. Ticketing and entry. Ticket. Ticket. Ticket stub. Ticket stub. Barcode scanner. Barcode scanner. Ticket booth. Ticket booth. Queue line. Queue line. Turnstile. Turnstile. Movie-related items. Movie poster. Movie poster. Trailer. Trailer. Credits. Credits. Subtitles. Subtitles. 3D glasses. 3D glasses. Program guide. Program guide. Staff and services. Usher. Usher. Cashier. Cashier. Manager. Manager. Security guard. Security guard. Cleaning staff. Cleaning staff.